Today we will walk through the process of reordering posts in WordPress by adjusting their dates. This method utilizes the drag and drop functionality built within WordPress and takes approximately 5 minutes from start to finish when following the instructions carefully. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. This is the central hub where all of your website management tasks take place. Once you have reached the WordPress site, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. There you will find the login option. Clicking on the login button initiates the process of accessing your account, so make sure you are at the proper website to avoid any confusion. After selecting the login option, you will be presented with several choices for signing in. Instead of using your username and password, choose the option that says continue with a popular identity provider. In this case, the instructions suggest selecting the continue with Google option. This step streamlines the process considerably because it leverages an account that you are already comfortable using. Once you click on that option, a list of your associated Google accounts will appear, and from there you simply select the account you wish to use. This authorized account will then provide you with secure access to your WordPress site. Now that you are logged into your account, you must navigate to the section where all your posts are displayed. Look for a link corresponding to posts, which will typically take you from your homepage to your post management area within the administrator dashboard. The domain for this section is testaccount1142.wordpress.com, making it easier to identify within your browser interface. Once on that page, you have arrived at the central location for editing and managing your posts. From the list of posts available on your dashboard, locate the option that allows a quick adjustment. Although it may appear as just another command, selecting the quick edit option provides an efficient and accessible way to modify essential settings of your post without having to navigate away to a separate editing page. Upon clicking the quick edit option, you will be given the ability to make several adjustments that include changing the date. Changing the date of the post is of utmost importance because WordPress uses the date and time information to sort posts automatically. When you modify a post's date to a more recent timestamp, WordPress will reposition that post to appear closer to the top of the list. This simple change in the date and time field allows you to control the order in which your content appears to your readers without the need to rework or manually rearrange your posts. Adjustment of the date should be done carefully. Deliberate changes in the date field determine the perceived freshness of content that your site visitors see. After you have adjusted the date to reflect the order you desire, finalize your changes by clicking on the update command. This step is crucial as it saves your edits and triggers WordPress to reorganize your posts automatically. With your updated settings saved, the post order will now reflect the new date adjustments that you made. This method is ideal for those who wish to emphasize more recent or important content simply by reordering posts through a minor update in scheduling. Following these instructions closely will enable you to manage the display order of your posts effectively. Enjoy exploring this straightforward technique, and remember that by carefully modifying the date field, you can easily control the visual presentation of your content.